Locksaga video 33. Thank you for joining me. Today I have this Brinks lock here, which I bought to use before I got into LockSport. Even then I knew that Master Lock did not make good products. And I saw Brinks, it made me think of home security, made me think of those big trucks that take money from bank to bank. And I thought, they gotta make good locks, right? No. See how many ways I can open this. I apologize if my voice is not the best. I'm a little under the weather right now. One. Slipped off. Come on. Pushed a little too far. There we go. Shackle shimmed, raked. I'm pretty sure I could even jiggle this open. Let's see. Yep. So yeah, I now believe that Brinks, in fact, makes even worse products than Master Lock. You know what? I should do a Brinks versus Master Lock head-to-head showdown. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'm gonna do a Brinks versus Master Lock. Put my money where my mouth is, because I believe Brinks actively makes worse products than Master Lock. And if I'm wrong, I will promise to stop talking crap about Brinks. Well, that's all I have for today. Thank you for joining me. I hope y'all have a nice day.